Hello, everyone. I wanted to record a video to show how the online payment connector for citizen access to PayPal works. So I have a record that needs payment here in citizen access, and I can continue this and select my payment type, and then that will redirect me out to PayPal. And then I can fill in the PayPal form. And I can finish the payment. That will complete in the PayPal backend and update the Accela record. When we can go look at this record ID. Let me copy it from this screen here. Let me go to the right. And if we look that up real quick, we can see the payment that was made here. And when we look at the receipt, there's also a transaction code that came from PayPal. We track it both on the receipt and in the transaction code field in Accela. So that is how the PayPal online connector works for credit card payments.